people are finding that what they were trained for years is disappearing.
For years is disappearing.
Is disappearing. Thank you.
So I think a talk that doesn't just inspire you, but really gives you some fundamental tools.
See that it's inspiring you and giving to you fundamental tools.
Fundamental tools. Thank you.
On how you can take control, how you can create a competitive edge for you.
How you can take control.
How you can take comparative.
Yourself, how to market yourself, or how to take the business you own if you own one.
How to keep the business of your own hand or something similar.
Your own.
And market it more effectively is one that is extremely timely.
Is it like to extremely timing?
The marketer.
Yes.
And one that I think can make a difference in your life. The secret, of course, for me was
the secret of the ministry.
Your life.
Right?
Was okay, if I'm going to do this subject, I could talk about this, or I could bring someone in who I have tremendous respect for, who I think is one.
So, like.
Could be tremendous respect.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Let me just one example, short example.